Hey everyone, it's Carrie over at DoubleClick. Welcome back to my craft room. Today I am doing a VR for Lori over at PD Pie Designs. Her channel will be linked down below. She is having a birthday challenge that runs October 1st through November 21st. She is requesting a VR, letting her know why you like her channel, and the projects that she is looking for is anything goes. You can check out her channel for all of the details. She is also using the hashtag PPDBDay2024. I like Lori's channel because she does lots of vintage, gothic, spooky fun, and that is something that I do enjoy crafting. Even though a lot of my items are cute, I do like vintage items as well. Here's a project that I am sending off to Lori. I pulled out some of my Tim Holtz papers. I wanted to make the card front flat so I could stuff it on the inside. This is the layout. I did separate all of my items so that the card will be within the requirements of the post office to ship flat mail. I did recently haul a bunch of new tickets, so I am sharing some of those for her to use in her journals. And I did make this little belly band to hold them into place. In this pocket, I created some vintage mushrooms. These are so fun. I love making mushrooms. I did double layer them. I also fed the cutouts through my scan and cut to give me full backgrounds and not the backgrounds with the holes, so that the design would be more sturdy. I am including a tiny fairy die. I thought she was the perfect size to fit on top of the mushroom, as well as use her in some of her journaling. In this pocket, I am sharing some of my vintage colored dewdrops. I used my tiny bag topper and included a bunch of different colored dewdrops. I have been inking today. That's the colors that's on my fingers. And that fits in here just like that. That is my entry for Lori at PD Pie Designs. Happy birthday, Lori. I hope you have a wonderful birthday month and all of your birthday wishes come true. I thank you guys so much for stopping by my craft room and have a great day. Bye, guys.